Next, third question, what he says is one garden is there and the shape is like this, and he is asking to find the area and the perimeter. Now, when we see the shape, this is rectangular, and on either sides it is in the shape of circle. This is semicircle, this is semicircle. Like this it is. And he says this is 20 meters. From here up to this. Up to this is 20 meters. And this is 7 meters up to this part. Now we need to find. Now first try to understand. What we are going to do? We need to first find the area. First we will find the area. How to do? First we will find the area of this rectangle. Rectangle we know how to find. Then what we will do is, this is in form of semicircle. So this is like this, and this is like this on the other side. If we join together, it will form a circle. It becomes a circle. So if we find the area of circle, then it will be these two parts, and then we will add to this rectangle. Like this we can find. So let us start now. Let us name it as A, B, C, D, just for our convenience. Okay. Now first find the area. Area part we will do. Rectangle. What is the length? What is the area formula? Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So what is the length here? Now see. This is 20 meters. No. The total is 20 meters. Not this. Not CD is 20. The total is 20 meters. Now, this is a radius. This is a radius of circle. Now, this we have to remove. Why? Because this is up to this part. So let us remove this part. What is this part? How do we know? It is given as 7. This is 7. So when this is 7, this is also, we can find how this is diameter. This total is 7. So when this is 7, this will be 3.5 and this will be 3.5. So this is the radius of a circle. So this is also, it will be 3.5. This is also 3.5. So what will be the length? This is total is 20 minus this part, 3.5 plus 3.5. 3.5 plus 3.5, that is 7. So 20 minus 7 equal to 13 meters. So this is 13 meters. So length equal to 13 meters into breadth. What is this breadth? Directly given 7. So 7 meters, 13 7s are 91 meters square. So we got area of this rectangle. Fine. Then we need to find the area of this circle. We got circle now. So what is the radius? We got 3.5 are equal to 3.5 meters. So area of circle equal to pi r square. We know the formula. 22 by 7 into r, how much? 3.5 into 3.5. 3.5 ones are 3.5 twos are 2 ones are 2 11s are. So that is 11 into 3.5, that is 38.5 meters square. So what will be the area of total figure? This 91 meters square plus 38.5 meters square. So 91.0 and 38.5. 9 is 129.5 meters square. So the area of this figure is 129.5 meters square. This is how we found the area. Now let us find the perimeter. So how to find? See, what is the perimeter? Sum of all the sides. So here, these two, we will sum it up, then we will find this and this. Okay, so what is the perimeter? This, like this, like this, like this. So we will add these two. So perimeter. First this part, this is 20. No, this is not 20. When we are subtracted, we got it as 13 meters. So AB plus CD. AB plus CD equal to 13 plus 13, 26 meters. Up to this is okay. Now we need to find this part and this part. So circle. So we want perimeter of a circle. What is the perimeter of circle? Circle perimeter formula 2 pi r. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into r. What is the radius we have taken? 3.5. So 3.5. 3.5 ones are 3.5 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. So we are left with 22 meters. So this is 26 meters. This part, this and this is 26 meters. 26 meters plus this curved path, that we got it as 22 meters. So the total will be 48 meters. So we got the perimeter as 48 meters. Little bit difficult, but we can do. Only the thing is, first we should understand the figure. This is not a rectangle or square. This is mix up of rectangle and a square. So first we are finding this rectangular part and then we are finding the circular part by joining two semicircles, and we are finding the area and perimeter.